Hi, welcome back. So I think we have seen PO data, how it will be moved to PO system B and sales order will be created, order acknowledgement, sales order, delivery. Let's see the delivery now. Okay, let's try to get into this topic. So one moment, I need to log in. So before going ahead, if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe. All these are the different 19 courses available at my end. And basically this is one of my top course for pricing and basics. And if you are already done SAP SD, you can try, or else MM or any other model, getting master to write functional specification. I keep on stressing this. This is very much required. I have given a simple SD example, but it is useful for all modules. Now let's get back to this one. The current course is all about, this is just samples I'm giving you, actual configuration settings, everything done here. So better go through it before getting into real time, otherwise you will be in problem. Okay, I'm telling you. So you just try all these courses. So what I'm recommending, one is for real time, specifically this course, and getting master to write functional specification. These two must done before getting into the real time. Now what should we do? Let's try to get into our top. Let's see this, how the delivery idoc will be generated. Let me explain you. Okay, now first go to W02. Yesterday we have created some idocs. Okay, today also some idocs got created. No problem, it is done by someone, not by me. Okay, anyhow, no issues. Let's try to create one more PO. So what I would say, ME21N. Okay, let's take, let's try to check this. So with reference to this purchase order, I think we have already seen this. You can able to find in my previous videos. Okay, don't ask me again. So you can able to go through my previous videos. I have explained how the purchase order will be converted into sales order, how the purchase order information will be moved. Now order acknowledgement also we have seen yesterday's video. Today's video we are going to see delivery notification. Okay, go to the messages. That's fine. We're good to go. Okay. Our PO number is 503. See, we required order acknowledgement or sales order basically. So let's run in here. Let's check inbound orders. Okay. So this is the order. Today it is got created. Now if you look at here, okay, this is a PO number. We are good to go. We can able to pick this sales order 20331. Okay, this is the sales order. Okay. So let me copy this. Now let's go to, okay, so 503, this is the PO, it is got created. Let's try to deliver this one now. Okay, no issues. Let's try to keep. Okay. So I need not do, like, we can put the conditions for idocs also, whether it's supposed to generate before PCA and after PCA. So we don't have any restrictions now. Go to extras and let's go to the delivery output and go to header. Now see this, these are the two types. That's why I mentioned in my slide also. So one is based on ship to party, another one is a logical system. Okay, so these two configurations I have done, including NACE configurations and your W20 configuration, W21, and partner profile definition, and everything is done in this course. Okay, so just save this. Now go to VL03N. I haven't done in PCA, so for billing I will do it. Okay, let's go. Where is the delivery output? You can able to see both became green. Okay, now let's try to check this idoc. Any idoc we can able to see this. So let me copy this idoc. So 531, this is the idoc, it is got generated. Now let's go. That means from A system to B system delivery notification went. Sorry, B system to A system delivery notification went. Okay. So let's try to put the idoc. So now you can see the control record. You can able to find the information, partner information. This is based on ship to actually. I have configured. See, better go through my course. I'm telling you, my friends, it will be useful. So it's up to you how you want to build your career. If you want to take more time, I cannot help you out. After losing certain interviews, okay, learning is harsh actually. So now you can see idoc sent actually. So all these are the different segments with the delivery notification it is created. Now let's go back. Just see for today, desert dev came. Okay, this is the desert dev. You can see this one idoc failed because of ls, because within the same system, within by using same client it is generated. That's why it's failed. No issues, but we reached the target. But the only thing is that we don't have different clients to process this one. Okay, so we have 531 and 532 two idocs got generated for delivery. Okay, this is how you can able to learn, you know, things. So for real time, this is the specific course, getting master to write functional specification. And second one is your idocs. You can try other courses also. You will not be disappointed. So I'm just providing these links below of this video. Okay. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind. All the best, folks. Have a great day.